Hello everybody, my name is Jack Fan, and this is a video that summarizes my 4 months of experience in Ireland with the NUN program of Northeastern University. To introduce myself, I am an 18-year-old student that just started college. I was born and brought up in China, and when I was 12, my family moved to the Philippines, and it is where I finished my middle school and high school. Since I was a child, my parents always took me to travel around to explore the diversity of cultures throughout Asia. Thus, I fell in love with exploring new cultures. And Europe was a region full of mysteries that I have not had a chance to explore yet. When I got my acceptance letter from Northeastern informing me that I can start my first semester abroad, I knew a semester in Dublin would become a blast. On September 4th, I left Beijing and took an 8-hour journey to Dublin to begin my semester. When I first came to the country, I was in a big culture shock. Although I have lived in an English-speaking country, I had difficulties communicating with the people around, especially trying to understand their strong accent. I also had a hard time trying to figure out how to survive on my own, because I have never done any laundry and cooking at all in my life before I came to Ireland. Luckily, the NUN program and its staffs helped me to adjust to these problems. We had a busy 5-day orientation that gave us a complete tour of the school in Dublin. Most importantly, they also planned a whole program dinner at Johnny Fox to help us meet new people and explore Irish music and dancing. We also went to Cowsley Farm to learn Irish culture, and it is where I made my first bread. As for feeding myself, I started with simple microwavable food and instant noodles. As time went on, I picked up cooking using pans. From cooking lettuce, noodles, and fried chicken breast, I slowly became interested in making myself good food. I went online to look at recipes, and I made difficult cuisines like pasta and later on to some traditional Chinese dishes that my mom used to make me. Ireland is a country full of surprises. It is the origin of many well-known folktales like the leprechauns, and it is the birthplace of Halloween. The NUN program took us to several excursion trips all around Ireland. We went to Western Island, which includes the beautiful Aran Island, where I biked around the whole island and hiked to different attractions. We visited the Cliffs of Moher to see the extraordinary work done by nature. We also visited the Northern Island to see sites like Giant Causeway and visit Derry to learn about its Derry Revolution. We also visited Cork, where I kissed the Blarney at the Blarney Castle to make myself more eloquent. The academics were not hard for me, since I took up the introductory class of chemistry, physics, and calculus. As an engineering major, I was lucky to be able to study in the science department of UCD. The science department building was modern and well equipped, with big and comfortable lecture halls. The labs for physics and chemistry were built very professionally and has materials and equipment in excellent conditions. I also took up courses like Global Experience and Irish Presence in America. The Irish Presence class taught me cultures and histories of past Ireland, as the Global Experience class gave me a whole new perspective of what it is to be a global citizen. Each student at NUN was assigned to a service learning site. I got the chance to work with Dodder Action Group, which is a group of volunteers to clean up the environment around the River Dodder in order to create a better environment for the animal species residing. We went there for 2 hours each week for 4 weeks to pick up all sorts of garbage around the river. This experience helped me to understand the severe effects of littering to us and to the animals. Overall, my experience in Ireland has been great. I have learned about survival in college, the diversity of cultures around me, and most importantly, the importance of being a global citizen. All of these are going to help me when I go back to Northeastern in January, where another journey of mine will begin.